Irritable void syndrome. This ice machine was just replaced, and this button now gets stuck. See? Look how hard that is to get loose. Like, I guess really all you have to do is touch it here and it comes loose, but you know, of course they hit it. So what's going on here is these screws. You can tell by there's a lip here, but not here. And then over here, there's a lip up here, but not down here. See that? The panel's crooked. They made it crooked when they installed the machine. Look at this garbage. See what's happening? Look at it from this angle. This little thin stainless steel sheet metal that they've used is supporting the weight of this whole machine. So, you know, it's pulling up on this panel. And I can't not have it pulling up on the panel. It's basically the only thing holding up the ice machine. What the hell, guys? Sure enough, I can't get the button to get stuck now. Look at that. So, what am I supposed to do about that? You know my motto, measure 0 times, cut as many times as you need. Look at these crappy tin snips, man. I can't even get this to cut properly. It's pretty sad. Most frustrating part about this job is always going to be not having the tools you need when you need them. Because, you know, you used them at home the day before or whatever. I'm going to attach this metal plate right here. See, I pop this panel loose. There we go. Now it works. So now, with that little support plate in place, the upward pull of this piece of metal shouldn't be able to move this out of position badly enough for the button to get stuck. It's all screwed back together, and whoa, it clears it. Even if I try to get it caught, it still clears it by like a millimeter, so I guess that took care of it. It's not all that noticeable. There's really nothing else you could have done. This wasn't installed correctly. That's like, what am I supposed to do? Take the machine off and put it back on, right? Get real. That's a real world solution.